What do you think?
Is he big?
He is big.
He's still going. Cheese. Cheese.
What do you think about Thomas? Sam, can you touch that train? What do you think, buddy?
You want to get your picture taken with Mama?
Sam, can you do the train whistle? Can you say all aboard?
Aboard?
Can you do them together?
No.
Say woo woo, all aboard.
Aboard.
I love you, Sasa.
City. Where is he?
Sethy.
Cheese.
This isn't a cheese camera. It's a video camera. Can you tell everyone where you're at?
I am at Thomas.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do, buddy?
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
I'm on a train.
You are. Are you ready for some fun with Thomas?
Thomas!
I want to remind everyone to keep their arms, hands, head, and other body parts they wish to retain or
Sethy.
children to grow up with inside the confines of the car.
Think about Thomas.
Cheese.
What do you think about Thomas, though?
I gotta get on it.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's the train?
it is.
That's the train?
What do you think about Thomas?
Where is he?
He's right there.
Let's get on it.
We are going to get on him.
You're not gonna miss him.
No, we're not going to miss him. Sethy, look at Mama.
Seth. Hi, Bunky. Hi. Are you excited? I love you.